Meaning of ext.
ext,
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 ext. ext is an abbreviation commonly used to refer to the word extension. It is usually used in the context of a phone number, email address, or file type. In the case of a phone number, ext refers to an extension number that can be dialed to reach a specific person or department within an organization. In an email address, ext is sometimes added to the end of the address to indicate that it belongs to a specific user or group. When used with file types, ext is short for extension and refers to the part of a file name that comes after the period, indicating its file type.